Good morning, my dear students. Let us continue the poem Atom. We had seen about the first stanza, and now today we will see the next stanza. A radium adorns the night of multitudinous stars. Her silken robe is white moonlight, set free from cloudy bars, and on her face the bewitching smiles are shown. She seems a slender maid who soon will be a woman grown. The poet describes about the atom. In the first stanza, the poet described about the atom. The poet, what does the poet say? That the poet say the season atom arrives like a slender, fair and graceful maiden. And she has swaying rice stains in her hair and lilies in her face. She is dressed in flowers of grasses, is clad means dressed, and she moves along birds. As she moves along, birds greets her gladly with their cooing means with making a different sounds, and the cooing sound is like twinkling songs of bracelet. So that is a beautiful description of the of this first stanza by the poet. The poet described about the atom, that is the one of the seasons, atom, and how does look the atom, how does arrives the atom. The atom arrives like a slender, fair and graceful maiden. Maiden means unmarried girl. Now next stanza, a radium adorns the night of multitudinous stars. Her silken robe is white moonlight and set free from cloudy bars, and on her face bewitching smiles are shown. She seems a slender maid who soon will be a woman grown. During the night, radium adorns the night means a jeweled crown. Adorns means a jeweled crown. Crown means that is the kings and the majesty who wears the crown on the head. Like Mahabharata, you might have seen all the the characters in Mahabharata or Ramayana, and they wears the crown, the kings. During the night, atom wears a crown of countless stars. The poet, how does the poet describe about the atom, and how does it look during the night? Atoms wears a crown of countless stars, and means if you see in the sky, so there are beautiful stars. We can see the beautiful stars. And how does the atom comes? How does the atom look in the night time? The atom looks means like wearing a crown of the countless stars. It's a wonderful crown. It's a beautiful crown. And who wears? The atom wears a beautiful crown in the night time. You see, how does the poet describe about the atom? How does it look in the night? It's a beautiful scene. Means if you see in the sky in the season, so many twinkling the stars in the sky, and that is described of the atom. Of multitude stars means numerous, countless stars. Her silken robe is white moonlight and set free from cloudy bars. Her silken robe is white moonlight. How does it look in external appearance of the atom? The atom, wears the silken robe, means dress. Silken robe, silken dress, which appears to be set, free from the patches of clouds. Oh, the beautiful described by the poet of the atom. Atom, in the night, atom wears a crown of countless stars. The white moonlight from her silken robe, which appears to be set, free from the patches of clouds. It's a beautiful, description about the atom. And her face, the radiant moon, the bewitching smiles are shown, and on her face is the bright and shining. How does describe of the atom? It's on her face, bewitching smiles are shown. Is the easy. Her face means atom's face. Atom's face means that maiden face is the bright and shining. Bright and shining moon. She smiles, bewitching manner. Bewitching manner. How does it shine? How does it smile? It smile. There is a bewitching manner. She seems a slender maid who soon will be a woman grown, and she seems to be a slim young girl. How does it describe that atom with a maiden girl, with a slender, fair and graceful maiden? And how does the maiden looks? How does the maiden look? It smiles in a beautiful manner, bewitching manner. She seems to be a slim girl. She seems a slender maid. Slender maid means slim young girl. And she seems a slender maid who soon will be a woman grown. And after she will be grow into a woman, but now she is a beautiful slim young girl. But after some days, she will be grown into a woman. So here is described the atom with a young, beautiful, slender, fair and graceful maiden by the Kalidas. This poem is written by the Kalidas and was translated by Professor A.W. Rader. So it's a beautiful poem, Atom. Do you understand? So I hope you understood. So this is the explanation of this poem. Okay, thank you.